This is a final video to fix the Hisense Air Conditioner Error Code 36 and restore your cooling power immediately. Are you facing this exact problem where your AC stops working and shows this annoying code on the screen? This issue usually happens because the internal sensors or communication lines inside your unit get a bit confused or lose their connection. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are way too long and hard to follow for a regular person. Here at Rexis, we make things much easier for you to understand. There are 4 proven methods to fix this specific error, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you even if the problem seems very critical right now. You should pause the video and try these methods one by one as they appear, or take screenshots so you do not miss anything important. I will not explain or reveal the settings here, because the visuals show you exactly what to do. These simple fixes save you time and bring back the cold air to your room. Follow the method steps by steps showing on the screen.